You are watching the complete guide to fix the out of GPU memory error in Blender. I know how frustrating it is when your render stops and shows this message. This usually happens when your graphics card runs out of VRM because the scene is too heavy with high-resolution textures, dense geometry, or complex lighting. But don't worry, in this video, I will show every possible way to fix this problem. We will adjust settings, optimize your scene, and manage memory so Blender can render smoothly. Watch the full video carefully, because each method is designed to help you overcome this error. By the end, you'll be able to render your projects without running out of GPU memory, even for complex scenes and animations.